Hi everyone. If you have a problem with your Opera GX browser where the sound does not come out, then here are two quick fixes. Method 1. Go to the tab that's playing that particular video. This one is a YouTube video, and you want to click on this microphone icon right here. That one mutes and unmutes the sound from that particular tab. Method 2. Now if that does not work, then you need to check the settings of your computer. Click on the Start button, and then search for Volume Mixer. And then click on this option that says Sound Mixer option. And while you're here, you should see a list of all the apps that have access to your sound settings. And check for Opera GX and check if it's muted. If it's muted, you need to enable it. Thanks for watching this video.
And our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California.